Discover how to get in the best shape of your life from the comfort of your home. But there's no question. Working out and getting in shape from home has its challenges. You have to make sure you have the proper equipment to get the most out of your workouts. This doesn't have to be expensive, but there are some things you'll want to have in place before you begin training. And that's just the beginning. Having proper knowledge is a big challenge too. Most people just don't know how to work out properly. And if you do things wrong due to a lack of know-how, you can end up getting injured. And then, of course, you may struggle with getting motivated to work out. Think about all the distractions in your home that could possibly keep you from focusing on your workout. TV, family, the computer. On the surface, working out from home may seem like it's not as effective as going to the gym. But there are some huge advantages to working out from the comfort of your home. Although getting yourself up and going to a gym can help with focus, it's really easy to skip a day at the gym because going somewhere is not that convenient. A skipped day at the gym can quickly turn into 2 days, 3 days, or even more. And if you're very overweight, starting at home can make it easier to get going and start losing weight and building muscle. Not to mention, when you set up your home workout area the right way, there's nothing better than being able to get up and walk a few feet to your home gym. It's maximum convenience and gives you a huge advantage to getting into the shape of your life when you do things the right way. Not to mention, sometimes it's intimidating to walk into a gym if you're out of shape. It makes it a lot easier to plug in and focus on getting fit when you don't have to worry about your body and comparing yourself to others that are more fit. It's clear that there are some big advantages when you work out from home the right way. But where do you start? Although there are tips and tricks for setting up your home workout area scattered around the internet, what you really need is an expert at home fitness to show you the ropes. You need someone that understands what it takes to guide you on the best and most affordable way to get set up. Someone that can show you the best type of fitness program to start with, and someone that can create a plan that reduces the risk of injury and gets you the best results possible. As a fitness expert, I've put together the ultimate step-by-step guide to working out from home. The guide is based on what works and gives you step-by-step instructions that are easy to follow to quickly get you in the best shape of your life from the comfort of your home. Inside you'll discover the challenges of training from home and how to overcome them. How to push yourself from home. This can be challenging unless you know this simple workout secret. What you need to create your awesome home gym. How to get your home gym going without spending a fortune. The basics you should invest in to get the best results possible. You'll also discover how muscle growth works and the power of using high-intensity techniques to unlock your full potential. A step-by-step guide to training your legs from home. On a budget? No problem. Get a complete guide for training your entire body using body weight alone. How to introduce cardio and weight loss the right way to get in shape as quickly as possible and avoid injury. You'll also get a complete guide to what you should be eating while you work out and focus on getting in the best shape of your life. Plus a whole lot more. This guide will give you everything you need to burn fat and build muscle from the comfort of your home, regardless of your current budget. At this point, maybe you're on the fence and wondering if you really need this. If you answer yes to any of these, this guide to getting in the best shape of your life from home is for you. If you're looking to lose weight, if you want to build muscle and get stronger, you don't want to go to a gym each day and you like the idea of working out from the comfort of your home, you're on a budget and looking for a guide that will show you exactly what you need to get the best results in your home gym, or in other words, you don't want to waste money. You've tried fitness programs in the past and didn't get the kind of results that you'd hoped to get. Or you're simply looking for a fast way to improve your health and feel better without stressing about going to the gym or hiring a trainer. When you get this guide today, you'll get everything you need to lose weight and get in shape from the comfort of your home. And you can begin seeing results fast. In as little as a couple of weeks, you can see a noticeable difference in the way you look and feel. Of course, the best thing about getting your hands on this guide right now is the low price. Although this guide is the next best thing to investing hundreds or thousands in having a trainer consult with you and get your home gym set up the right way, you won't pay anywhere near that today. For a very limited time, you can get access to this powerful guide to fitness from home for less than you'd spend on a nice gym shirt. To get started and lock in your special pricing, click the Add to Cart button below. And this is about to get even better. When you take action today, you'll get access to some extremely valuable Fast Action bonuses. Fast Action bonus number 1 is a cheat sheet that breaks down the guide into some very easy to follow step-by-step methods for losing weight and building muscle from home. This cheat sheet makes it easy to stay focused on achieving your fitness goals. Fast Action bonus number 2 is a mind map that gives you an overview of everything inside the guide. It's great for those people that need to see it all laid out in a visual format. Fast Action bonus number 3 is a resource guide that conveniently lists all of the important tools and resources you need to lose weight and build muscle in your new home gym. And Fast Action bonus number 4 is a beautiful infographic that illustrates exactly how to get the best results from your new home workout. If you're ready to lose weight, build muscle and do it all without ever leaving home, this guide is for you. Click the button below to get instant access and get started today.